Phoebe, I don't know. Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
How am I coming in? Am I coming in like that or am I like...
Okay. Phoebe, I know you're there. Okay. Hi guys, it's me. So today's video, we have a special guest. Can she please come in? Special guest.
Hi.
This is my friend Phoebe. Here. So don't look at me. Okay. So basically, you will see me laughing and smiling a lot because I have never done a video with my friend before, so, and I can just see her staring at me. So anyways, in today's video, we are going to... I was serious. I can't do this. We're so quirky. So basically, I'm going to be Phoebe's stylist for today. So you'll see what her usual style is, and then I planned a few outfits using her clothing, but like into my style and something different than what she normally wears. And so we're just gonna show you guys that, and she'll rate the outfits on how much she likes it or how likely she is to wear it. So let's get started. Okay.
So, I will be absent or not shown in this video a lot because Phoebe is the star of the show. I will be the person behind the camera, getting all those good angles, doing all the magic, so that this video is a good one. So yeah, that is all. Let's continue on. I will be like the interviewer. So, yeah. Continuing on.
How much do you like this outfit?
I actually like it a lot. It's very, like, I feel free. I don't feel restricted. And it's very calm, chill, but kind of like elegant, I feel. I don't know, I like it a lot. I've never tried pairing these together.
Okay, what would you rate it out of 10?
I think like a 9.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Okay.
I like it a lot.
So you would wear this again?
I would.
Okay.
I never thought about wearing it like this.
Color coordination. Yes. See, because we also have the hair clip going along with the shirt, and then the white is just like a nice contrast. This is the second outfit. It's more street style. She's looking very nice in it.
Yes, very comfortable.
Yes. Okay, Phoebe, rate this outfit.
I like, again, very comfortable, which is kind of my style on the reg.
Mm-hmm.
And it's very, I don't know, kind of chill, casual. I could see myself walking down the street just feeling very cool in it, you know?
Yes.
Yes, I like it a lot.
Wait, I have an accessory I want to give you.
Ooh, okay.
A bucket hat, because streetwear style is very bucket. This is like so different because I don't ever see you like having like a shirt just like
Yeah,
laid
it's
up.
usually tucked in or it's like rolled up or something. I never usually wear it down. I like it though, gives it casual.
This is like so much more different than like I never see you wear hats either, so this is different. Oh my god. Okay, I love this outfit, guys. So, rating.
I like it. I don't know if I like it better than the other one.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not used to wearing hats.
Yeah, I feel like this is a bit more different than the last one. Like, this one's more.
Yeah, they're very contrasted in style. But I still like it all. I think 7.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Still
I think
good.
with the right pair of shoes too, it could go. But I'm just wearing socks now.
We're comfy.
It is me, so I think I'm doing a good job so far. I don't know, it's very out of her comfort zone outfits, but she's looking good in all of them. The next one is more like dark academia. I'm very excited. I feel like that one will mostly fit her, like aesthetic, or I don't know, I just feel like that outfit's gonna fit her more. But we will see after she's done trying it on.
Same jeans. We have the headband that goes along with the blazer, a more dark academia, more preppy look. I feel like this one is the one that mostly suits your like style. I don't know.
Yeah, because I like cropped things, and the jeans are loose. I'm not a tight-fitted jean person.
Me too.
But I like the jacket because it gives an air of like class, but also like boss, businesswoman, you know?
Yes.
And I like this too. I didn't think I would like this. It reminds me of 5th grade.
I tried wearing that and I looked so bad in it. So I feel like short hair is definitely like more good with that.
Yeah, I think it helps.
Okay, wait, so how much do you rate this?
I like it a lot. I think probably 9 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Did you leave? Jasleen?
I didn't leave.
That was a terrifying whisper. Oh my god, it's so far over my head.
She's birthing. She's born. I should put like hallelujah.
Very peppy kind of fun. It's poppy. Pop is in color. Pop.
Okay, now you can give us your feedback.
I like it. I don't usually have, clothing under clothing. If I do, it's a jacket or something. I don't have it styled like this, which I like because you can then wear, a short sleeve or like a bright pop of color even when it's winter.
Yeah.
And I think it gives it some kind of like fun, chic look to it. I
It
like
just adds to it.
Yeah.
Because it's like, otherwise it would have been like really casual. So I don't know, I feel like turtlenecks just add a little bit more. Or not, or just long sleeves in general.
Yeah.
And for her hair, we just like a half down. I don't know, I feel like it's more like, okay, you can turn like not 2000, like early 2000s, like colorful, like those like times when people were like leg warmers and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah,
like
this gives me like a little kid kind of vibe, but also fun.
Yeah.
Because we're older and we're getting to play with clothes for real now instead of just like, dress up with Barbie clothes, you know?
Yes. Okay.
That's how I feel.
Out of 10.
10.
And if you like don't like it, you can tell me because I'm not gonna be a fan.
I think I like it. It's just I'm not used to wearing stuff like this. I think out of 10, either a 7 or a 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. As long as it's over 5.
As long as we're 5, we're good.
Yes. We're still passing.
Yeah.
Swiss Alps.
In the lodge. My rich husband.
So, for this outfit, I don't know, this one I can't really think of like aesthetic for this one, but it's more like just like you're going somewhere in the city, like more traveling, sightseeing one, and it's pretty wintry, and then the purse and the sunglasses are like brown, so it kind of like ties it in together. Yeah, that's all.
I like it's a very kind of like traveling in the winter. Like I'm gonna be cool and have my shades down while I walk past everybody with my purse and just flare to the side dramatically.
Yes.
It's the vibes it gives me.
Okay, out of 10.
It's a little bit plain.
Then I'm gonna look. If you're gonna go to sleep soon,
Compared to the other ones, like this is probably something I would have worn regularly, except without the purse and the glasses.
Okay, so this time it's just like the accessories that are like, okay.
Yeah, it's the accessories that kind of give it the level up, but I probably would wear this on a regular day. These are my pretty kind of normal clothing. I think I've worn this today.
Well,
Maybe.
good job for that.
Yeah, so I like it because it's my style, you know? But if we were doing an out of my style kind of thing, then it'd probably be more like a 6.
Okay.
If we're trying to get out of my style comfort zone.
Okay, thank you. Wait, that's our last one. Okay. You looking at me? Okay, it's fine. So, that was the video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Saw that my friend had a little change in her style. And yes, do you have anything to say?
Thank you for doing my outfits.
No problem.
Because I tend not to think about them when I put them on.
Now you got some like inspo, like you can wear some when you don't know what to wear. Because you have like some pre-ready ones.
And I think it's fun having somebody dress you up It's like playing dress up as children.
I never like really played that much when I was little because I didn't have like any siblings at that time. So
Now
this
you
is the
have
grown-up
3,
version.
yeah.
Yep, that's it. See you next time. Subscribe and like, and yeah, okay, bye.